Network security. Protecting modern digital infrastructure. For more cybersecurity tips and advice, don't forget to like and subscribe. Learning objectives. Understand network architecture and segmentation. Learn how firewalls, IDS/IPS, and inspection work. Explore secure network protocols. Understand VPNs and remote access security. Learn wireless security best practice. What is network security? Protection of networks from unauthorized access. Safeguarding data integrity and confidentiality. Prevention of cyber threats such as malware and attacks. Essential for organizations and individuals. Network architecture and segmentation. Network architecture defines how devices communicate. Segmentation divides a network into smaller zones. Common zones, internal network. DMZ, demilitarized zone. Guest network. Benefits, limits attack spread. Improves performance. Strengthens access control. Types of network segmentation. VLANs, virtual local area networks. Subnetting, IP-based segmentation. Zero Trust architecture. Microsegmentation, fine-grained control. Firewalls, NGFW. Firewall equals barrier between trusted and untrusted networks. NGFW, next-gen firewall, features, deep packet inspection. Application awareness. Intrusion prevention. User identity tracking. IDS versus IPS. IDS, intrusion detection system monitors traffic. Alerts on suspicious activity. IPS, intrusion prevention system detects plus blocks threats in real time. Packet inspection. Examines data packets traveling across networks. Types, stateless inspection. Stateful inspection. Deep packet inspection, DPI. Purpose, detect malicious content. Enforce security policies. Common secure protocols. HTTPS/TLS, encrypts web traffic. SSH, secure remote shell access. SFTP/FTPS, secure file transfer. IPsec, encrypts traffic at the network layer. DNSSEC, authenticates DNS responses. Avoid, Telnet, FTP, HTTP, SNMPv1, unencrypted by design. VPNs and remote access. VPN equals virtual private network. Creates an encrypted tunnel between a user and the network. Common VPN types, site-to-site, connects two networks. Remote access, connects a user to a network. SSL/TLS VPN, browser-based access. IPsec VPN, network layer encryption. Remote access security. Remote work expands the attack surface. Best practices, enforce multi-factor authentication, MFA. Use zero trust principles, verify every request. Patch VPN clients and gateways promptly. Limit access with role-based permissions. Monitor sessions for unusual activity. Wireless security basics. Wi-Fi signals travel beyond physical walls. Open or weakly secured networks are easy targets. Common wireless threats, eavesdropping on unencrypted traffic. Rogue access points and evil twin attacks. Weak or default passwords. De-authentication and jamming attacks. Wireless security best practices. Use WPA3 or WPA2 AES, never WEP or WPA. Set a strong, unique passphrase. Separate guest and IoT devices on their own SSID. Disable WPS and remote admin on routers. Keep firmware patched and up to date. Use Enterprise Authentication, 802.1x, where possible. Monitor for rogue access points.